Welcome to the BridgeWorks tutorial for adding a user in WebReports. To get started, we need to click on the Users tab located on the left side of the browser. This will take us to the Management page. Once you are on the Management page, you will need to click the Add button, which will open a form to enter the user's information. Once the user login, email, and password are entered, select the roles you want the user to have, then click Save. The new user should now be able to log into WebReports. It is recommended to have the new user test their login information to make sure they can get in. For more information and videos on WebReports or VDM, check out the links in the description.